I'm John Catino, the Deputy Director of Emergency Management here in Delaware County. I am bringing you this message from Delaware County Emergency Operations Center here in Muncie. As of this recording, the state of Indiana is reporting 365 people positive for coronavirus here in Indiana. These are friends, neighbors, or fellow Hoosiers who may shop where you shop and get gas where you do. 12 fellow Hoosiers have died because of this virus outbreak. That 12 family, friends, and neighbors to fellow Hoosiers that are close to home for all of us. Already, 7 of our neighbors in Delaware County have tested positive so far, with many more being tested. I want to share with you a short graphic about another type of 6 degrees of separation and one person who didn't go to work, the store, or to shop and chose to stay home.
This animation is a great illustration of why social distancing is important and is the best way to slow the spread of the virus. You can see how quickly and exponentially it can spread from person to person when no measure is taken. Now look at what happens when a person works from home, or a person doesn't visit someone's barbecue, or a person cancels an unnecessary flight, or a person just stays home. The number of infections is slowed substantially.
Now let's talk about flattening the curve. Flattening the curve refers to community isolation measures that keep the daily number of disease cases at a manageable level for medical providers. As in the message from yesterday, we simply cannot take care of everyone all at once. There will never be enough ambulances, emergency room personnel, or hospital beds if we all get sick. Take a look at this.
You have probably heard a lot about flattening the curve. This graphic illustrates a little better what that means. If there's no collective response from you and the rest of the community, the number of cases quickly overwhelm the healthcare system. If you have a strong collective response and practice good social distancing and hygiene, but only for a short time, then quickly go back to normal life, the number of cases will rise, overwhelming the healthcare system just at a later date. The best collective response is to continue to practice good social distancing and hygiene for as long as necessary to keep the number of cases down and the healthcare system below capacity.
Now let's update you on some progress. Ball State University is taking steps to evacuate their community. In an email to its students, President Mearns told students the residence halls should be vacating now and be completed by 10 p.m. today, March 24th. Extraordinarily compelling exceptions have to be approved by the university, and we thank them for their efforts. Dining services all across campus moved to takeout service days ago, and they are working to reduce to only essential personnel as quickly as they can. Divisions such as public safety and university police will continue to provide service, including stepping up security efforts on campus. All county school districts K through 12 schools are providing meals to their students using curbside pickup. And finally, the next public food distribution will be Thursday, March 26th in the Muncie Mall parking lot. Please do your part, stay calm, stay home, and stay informed. Thank you.